Hi, my name is Jenelle Langlois. I'm a physical therapist here at San Joaquin Valley Rehabilitation Hospital. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about neuroplasticity. It's been a bit of a buzzword in the last few years, and to break it down for you, what that means is that the brain and the central nervous system have an innate ability to repair itself, or to respond to stimulus or exercise and activities that will help it repair or reconnect to the body. When you have an injury, such as a traumatic brain injury, a non-traumatic brain injury, or a stroke, there's a disconnection from the brain to the rest of your body. Immediately after this, sometimes it's like clay spinning on a wheel. Things are changing in the nervous system, and the clay is going, but we want to form it and make sure that those skilled hands intervening are doing the right thing to optimize the best outcome for that person. So 10 principles were published by an author named Klein in 2008. This is one of my favorite articles. And I'm going to talk about 3 of these principles today, and they're the way to get the best out of neuroplastic potential in your brain. First one, this is number 1 across the board. This is use it or lose it. If you're not using the part of your body or the skill that you used to be able to do ever, you're not going to get it back. So we want to encourage, even if it's difficult, we want to encourage people to try to use what they can't do yet, or use the side that makes sense to them, in order to optimize what they can get back from it. The second principle is intensity, and we're talking about the intense activity or stimulus that a person has to go through in order to make reconnections and reestablish strength and skill again. If you're doing something once in a while, you're not going to learn it as quickly. If you're studying something much more intensely and with more intent, you're going to have a little bit better outcome than if you were doing it more sporadically. So in a rehab setting like this, it's really great because you get more intense intervention to address those deficits. And the third one I want to talk about is transference. It's just a fancy word for being able to adapt and apply these concepts in very different environments. A lot of time people get used to performing in therapy. So what we want to do is work with the family and the friends and the caregivers. Make sure that everyone's on the same page so whatever the person learns here in this setting can transfer out into their lives again. And as a bonus round, this is for everybody. Exercise. As little as 6 to 30 minutes of exercise can increase the neuroplastic potential of all of our brains. So why not get out there and exercise a little bit next time we want to go study? Something like that. So keep these principles in mind, and thank you for tuning in today.